guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. We're sitting in the living room, one more again, okay? So today's video is actually going to be a quick haul. This is actually from Pink and Ulta. It's just probably, yeah, it's gonna be a quick haul. Basically, Pink was doing a deal, 10 underwear for $35, plus they were having beauty stuff on sale, so I took advantage of a few items. But I did go to Ulta to pay my Ulta bill, and you can't even make payments in store. You actually have to just make them online. So while I was there at the checkout, they had 75% off items, and I picked up one 75% off item. And the 75% off item I got was Redken Clean Manic. Looks just like that, and it's $20. The sale price, original price of this I think is $25 or $26, and I got this for $5, y'all. And he was trying to charge me 10. I was like, 75% off $19.94 is not 10. So he is like, oh yeah, and did the price adjustment, and it came out to $5.25 or something like that for this big thing of Redken. And y'all, Redken is high, and this is sulfate free, silicone and sulfate free. And I just needed a new conditioner. We got plenty of shampoos. We're just needing more conditioner, and Redken is a very trusted line, and I love Redken, so I definitely had no problem buying this. So that's the item I got from Ulta. That's actually the only item I got from Ulta. I have not been going into Ulta at all. I'm trying to see if I even got some points. Like, I got 100 redeemable points left right now, so I guess that's like $3. But I'm gonna try to let my points build all year. But as y'all have been noticing, I don't do a lot of makeup shopping anymore and going to Ulta and Sephora. I haven't been to Sephora all year. I might take part of the 20% off sale so I can get some more skincare items, but I don't even know about that yet. Like, as you can see, I'm barefaced, no makeup, nothing on. I'm just letting my skin breathe for a while, and I don't know, but you never know. You never know. So now let's get into the goodies from Pink. I have 2 bags from Pink. Oh my goodness. They were doing, if you spend 50 at Pink, you got a free pair of flip-flops. If you spend 100, you got the flip-flops in a bag. And I just don't see no need to spend a whole bunch of money with Pink anyway right now. Like, I love Pink, but I have enough Pink, and I'm not gonna buy anything. And with my purchase though, because I spent over 40, I did get a 20 off 50, and it starts the beginning of March to mid part of March. So that reward, and I am going to use that reward because my birthday is March 28th. So I am going to go in there and get me one pink outfit for my birthday, and it's going to be off clearance hopefully, or they'll have a really good deal, or I'm not going to buy it because I do not like spending regular price for Pink. I just don't. I can't. I won't. Okay. But I want to show you the beauty items first, and then I'll show you the underwear, because I know you like, girl, some people don't like to see underwear. I do, because I like to see what cute things are available, but everybody is not like me. I'm nosy, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just get started. So the first thing I got was the Victoria's Secret Love Spell Shimmer. Looks just like that. It is the Shimmering Fragrance Mist Lotion. It smells so good. I love Spell. It is bomb. So to have the shimmer, I had to have it because y'all know I had the shimmer spray, but I'm out of the shimmer spray now, so I figured I'll just get a shimmer lotion instead of getting another shimmer spray, because I have a big thing of Love Spell already that I need to use up. I got the Cloud Wash in Love Spell. If y'all didn't know, and I didn't know this until I was in the store, you can place an order at the Victoria's Secret's counter and get the stuff mailed to your home, and you don't pay no shipping. Did y'all know that? I didn't know that until the sales associate told me. And I was like, yes, I really want one of these. I didn't want to pay shipping, but they didn't have it in store. And she's like, yeah, we'll order it from here. There's no shipping fee. I was like, okay. So if you didn't know that, now you know, okay? But I got the Cloud Wash in Love Spell. It's a foaming gel cleanser. I didn't want to get a whole bunch of them, so I only have one, and if I like it, I'll get more. So I got these 2 from the Love Spell line, and I already have my spray, because you just got to have Love Spell on deck. You just got to. I mean, how can you not have Love Spell? I got some of the new that just came out for their spring line. And if you guys didn't know, they were having $6 beauty event. So I got the Victoria's Secret Poppy Star. It looks just like that. It's Radiant Jasmine Wild Fresa, and it says Bloom Away. Look at that packaging. How cute is the packaging? It's everything. Oh my goodness, I love the packaging. The crazy thing is, I was actually going to buy the lotions to these two, but I just don't like Victoria's Secret lotions. Even though I got the Love Spell one, I just got it because it was a shimmer and it would go nice as the set. I don't like Victoria's Secret lotion, so I rarely buy them. That's why I only have one. But Poppy Star smells really good, and the packaging reminds me about the Mad About You with all that right there. So I had to have it. I got the Victoria's Secret Spring Fever. Looks just like this. It's mimosa petals, plum bitten avant garden is what it says. So it's really good. I like it. It gives me a very spring vibe. Again, the packaging, look at the packaging. This packaging is beautiful. This will be out on the vanity because it goes with the beauty room, and it just smells so good. Oh my goodness. If you don't get any of them, I would recommend getting Spring Fever. It smells so good. Look at that top. How cute is that? Like, this whole packaging deal is very beautiful. So I recommend that. Is there more beauty items? Yes, there's 2 more beauty items. The next one I got the Victoria's Secret Tease Rebel. This was $6 for the mini. Now, I did want to get that little perfume set they had for $24.99, but it sold out, and I'm not going to pay like $68 for a Victoria's Secret perfume. No way. So I went ahead and just got the fragrance mist, something nice to just throw in the purse. And this smells pretty good. I know Miss Smith was talking about it on her channel, and I was like, oh my God, I just gotta know it. I gotta have it. And I'm glad I was able to at least get the fragrance mist and at a good price, because it takes me forever to use something like this. Like, this is going to be in the purse, and I'm going, and it's going to take me a while. So it was worth it for $6. And the last beauty item, this is the Glitter Lust Tease Shimmer Spray. So this is Tease Rebel, and this is just regular Tease, and this is in the Glitter Lust Shimmer Spray. I love the Glitter Lust shimmer sprays. I love them. I actually use them a couple times a week. The different ones from my last haul, if you didn't check it out, I'll leave a link so you guys can check it out. But oh my God, this smells so good. And the crazy thing, this was the last one they had. It was sitting up at the counter, and they didn't have any more. And I asked them, I said, do y'all have any more? They was like, nope, this is it. And it was only $2.99 because it was from the SAS. Online, they have some, but they're going for $4.99. So I was happy to get this one for $2.99. Packaging's cute, and it's going to go nice with the little collection. And now I have Tease, and I have Tease Rebel. So I'm really happy. And I paid, let me see, 6 plus 3. I paid $9 for both of them versus like 50 something for the perfume. So I'm winning. So that's the beauty items. So now we're going to move on to the undies. If you don't like seeing underwear, just click out now. Just click out, girl. Click out, girl. But I like seeing underwear. I like seeing what Pink underwear is available, and Pink has the cutest draws. They really do. And some of their larges will go to an extra large, but some of them won't when it comes to underwear. It just depends on the cut. That's why my favorite cut is actually the boy shorts. So you're going to see quite a few of them. So the first one are these pair right here. These are really cute. You see the P's on it, and I like what I'm seeing, this camo, this gray and pink camo. It's really cute. Again, it's in a large. I don't think these are boy shorts. No, these aren't boy shorts, but still, they cute. I guess these could be, I think these are boy shorts or mini boy shorts. I don't know, but these are really cute. So I got those. I got these. It just says pink, and it has the lace top, and these are boy shorts. Are they? I don't even know. I think these are boy shorts, like short boy shorts. And it looks like that. I love this color, so I had to get it. Now these are loud. These ones are loud and definitely boy shorts. But I got it for the 86, my birth year. And this is them. Oh my goodness. These are nice for wearing around the house. Yes, not when the kids is up though. Kids can't be up though. Kids can't be up. But these are nice for wearing around the house. I really do like these. Another bright pair that I got for just around the house is Beach Patrol. Another boy short pair. Looks just like that. I love this color. This color is so pretty, and on my skin tone, this color is everything on my skin tone. Yes, I love it. The next pair are these. I thought these were really cute, but these are thong. Okay, let me see that booty go dun dun. Baby, make your booty go boom boom. Okay, Cisco needs to come back. Oh, Drew Hill needs to come back. If Drew Hill could come out with another album, Hello, okay. So I got these. Says chill out, warm me up, pink. And I just love the print, the checkered print. I think this is really, really cute. So I got those. I don't know why I grabbed these, but the color was all right. And oh, I know why I grabbed them. They look sexy. Look at that. These underwear look sexy. Sexy can I? Yes, these are really some sexy drawers, and they're so soft. Really, really good. These are actually my favorite, not my favorite pair. Okay, yeah, they are my favorite pair that made all this happen. These ones right here. Look at these. I love the detailing up there with the for the waist. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Strawberries. Ah, I like those underwear. Those are cute. I got these. This bikini cut. It says punk. And I like how it has the cutout there. And y'all, when they rung up the underwear, like the underwear regular price, if you got 10 pair, is $102. What the hell? I ain't paying no $102 for no underwear, but I will pay $35 for 10. That's a great deal. That's Walmart prices. And the last ones are these ones. I think these are cheeksters. And that's the back. And these are sexy. And they just say pink on the front. And you see they got stretch. They give some stretch. So it just depends on the cut you get if it will fit. Because they only go up to a large in the store. Oh, it's one more pair of underwear, y'all. It's one more pair. These ones. Oh, aren't they cute? They have a mesh at the side. So it's mesh see-through here. It has this cute color. I think this is like a lilac. Yeah, my favorite color, lilac. And then a black waist. I just think these are really cute. So I picked those up. Let me see if there's any more. Nope, that's it. So guys, that's everything I got from Pink and my little Ulta. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you guys want to see something a little bit different from a Bath & Body Works haul, which we have taken those down to once a month, and Dollar Tree hauls, which are only going to be 2 to 3 times a month now. But the last Dollar Tree haul, if you didn't catch it, go check it out. It was really mainly just home needs stuff. I didn't buy a lot of wasteful stuff. I find myself now when I go into a Dollar Tree, I'm not wastefully spending anymore. It's just being a smart shopper. And the cool thing is I'm waiting to get all the kids together. I'm thinking the first or second week in March. I'm just trying to see when all their stuff comes in. I'm going to actually do a haul and try to see if they act right, so all of them can be in the haul together. We're going to do it in the living room, and we're going to show off what they got for spring and summer, their spring and summer wardrobe. So hopefully they cooperate so the video comes out dope. I'm hoping, because I want them to be able to show their shoes and talk about what they say. Ooh, that's cute. You know, it's cute coming from them, because I know you guys miss them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. Man, all these undies, I'm so happy. And I don't know why I'm so happy, but I just love underwear, like new undies. Oh my goodness. My grandma always said, if you don't buy yourself nothing else, make sure each check you get yourself a pair of underwear. And a granny, I listened, okay? So thank you guys for watching. Make sure your notifications on. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.